Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Coal India Limited. When you will go to the official website of Coal India Limited, here in the latest news you can see recruitment of management trainee based on the GATE 23 score. So when you will click on this one, this will be open. The detailed advertisement for the recruitment of management trainee based on the GATE 23 score. This is new. When you will click here, this detailed advertisement will be open. So let's talk about this one in the detail. So as the post is the management trainee in the E2 grade as it is mentioned here. So this is for the mining, civil and geology branch. Let's talk about the civil. Post code is 12. Total number of vacancies are 172. Overall total number of vacancies are 560 and the gate paper code is for civil students is CE. Okay. Now here the important dates as the online date or online application registration date is already started on the 13th September, means today from the 10 AM, and the last date of this registration will be 12th October up to the 18 PM. For more details you can go to the website of Coal India and you can check the details. Let's talk about the minimum qualifications. So post code is 12, branch is civil, and here a candidate must have a BE BTech degree in civil engineering with minimum 60% marks plus GATE 2023 valid GATE scorecard. Okay, and here we can go for the now one important thing, the final year students. If a student is in the final semester or final year, okay, of the session 22-23, then he or she can also apply if he is having a GATE 23 valid scorecard. Second thing, in this case you need to submit the final pass results of minimum required qualification before the final selection or during the document verification. This is very important. So you need to show these things here. Okay, now this is clarification for the civil branches. Civil post code is 12. Eligible branch is only civil engineering. If a candidate is having civil with architecture or structure engineering or any other combination with civil engineering is not applicable here. Now let's talk about here, this is the classification of post according to the reservation. So you can just check here according to the reservation it is mentioned. The selection process as it is purely based on the GATE score only. So GATE 23 score, based on the GATE 23 score or marks requirement and the requirement also, candidates will be shortlisted for the discipline wise and the category wise for the further selection process. And here the final merit list will be prepared for each discipline on the basis of GATE 23 score or marks. Okay, here marks GATE 23 will only be the valid and the score prior to, or as it is very important thing, only GATE 23 is valid here, prior to GATE 23 is not applicable. So this is clearly mentioned here. Okay, so more details you can see here. Yeah, application fees is there for the general and OBC students. Application fees is 1000 plus 180 rupees GST. So the total is 1180 rupees. And if you are from SC, ST, PWBD or employees of Coal India Limited and its subsidiary are exempted from the payment of application fees. Okay, and this is very important that this is you need to pay through only online mode. So be careful by applying also. Now the upper age limit is 30 year as on the 31st August 2023 for the general and EWS categories. For the other it is mentioned according to the rule of the government of India, it is mentioned the age relaxation also. Okay, so reservation and relaxation as it is mentioned you can see before applying, dear students. When we talk about here the compensation or the pay scale, so the post will be management trainee in the E2 grade. The initial pay will be 50,000 to 1,60,000 per month during the training period. Okay, and after successful completion of the training period it will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. Alright, and the other benefits you will have definitely the HRA, okay, dearance, allowances, everything will be here. So this will be surely a good thing for you. So posting will be anywhere in the India for the coal. Service agreement will be there, medical examination will be also there. Okay, other details you can just check at the careers with CIL or jobs at the Coal India section, you can check, everything is here. Okay, so the only one important thing, the last date is the 12th October and it is started already from the today. So before the last date you can apply, and please read all the instructions before filling the form. Thank you. Stay connected to iMustGate Academy YouTube channel.